2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.